Vita's tiny trip.
Morning, Vita Bird. Want to pack a snack to take with you?
No thanks, just had my favorite one. Bye, Dad and Papa.
Bye, baby.
Have fun in Sweetwood.
Popcorn, time to go.
I can't wait to give lollipops to all our patients today. I'm gonna be the lollipop giver-outer.
You'll be the best lollipop giver-outer.
Hey, what's your favorite flavor, Vita?
Well, lollipops are a treat for patients, and I'm the vet, not the patient. But I guess I'd say...
Wait! Let me guess. I guess I need a clue.
Okay, my favorite flavor is a fruit that has a peel.
Oh, is it banana?
Nope. Pooh! Ouch!
Oh no, Vita, are you okay?
I rolled my ankle the wrong way, but yep, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. It was just a tiny trip. Plus, the vet is in...
Hey, that's my line. The vet is in.
That's me!
The vet is in.
Hello!
Giant as an orca or teeny as a bug.
Everyone's welcome for checkups and hugs. The vet is in!
And now the vet is out.
Huh?
Today's schedule is all house calls, and they're happening all over Sweetwood.
Oh, well, we better go pack up the essentials. Bandages, thermometer. We probably don't need to bring that.
Ew, that's a relief.
But you know what we do need to bring with us?
Please don't say the bathtub.
No, the lollipops.
Oh, of course. As the official lollipop giver-outer, let me just make sure we have enough for all our patients. Yeah. That's a yes. Our first patient is Mama Mouse. Let's go give her a lollipop. I mean a checkup.
Your cut is healing nicely, Mama Mouse. Keep keeping it clean, and it'll be better in 1, 2, 3.
And when will your ankle be all better? Did you trip?
How did you know?
Mamas always know. Would you like some ice for your ankle, Vida?
No, I'm the vet, not the patient, but thanks.
Voila!
Cheddar cheese flavor? My favorite. Thanks, Popcorn.
Anytime. Mama Mouse said cheddar cheese? My favorite flavor. Can you believe I guessed it? I guess that's why they made me the lollipop giver-outer.
You made you the lollipop giver-outer.
And it's a good thing I did. I'm amazing at it. But I still need to guess your favorite flavor. Can I have another clue?
Let's see. It's a fruit so round, you could roll it down a hill.
Watermelon!
Nope, that's not it.
Our next patient will be Koa.
Are you ready to get your eye patch off, Koa?
Absolutely. This eye is very tired of looking at the inside of this eye patch.
You can see the inside of the patch? Maybe he can, 'cause, fun fact, tigers can see very well in the dark. I don't know. What color is the inside of that eye patch?
Blue.
Wow. Just wow.
Your eye is all better.
Oh, thanks, Vida.
How How about one mango flavor lollipop for being such a patient?
Oh, gorgeous! Thanks, Popcorn.
His favorite! How did you know? The lollipop giver outer always knows. Again! Wow!
Enjoy!
Ow.
Vita? Looks like you hurt your ankle. Did you hurt your ankle? It sure looks like you did. I hurt my ankle once and I put ice on it. Want some ice?
Aw, thanks, Prickly, but I'm the vet, not the patient. And I'm fine.
How many more patients do we have today?
This many.
It only hurts a little. And I really want to help everyone who needs help today. Really.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
See ya!
It's empty! We handed out every flavor. Except your favorite flavor. I still haven't guessed it. Can I have one last clue? Please.
It's a color you're looking at right now.
Maybe it's something purple like your vet vest. Is it grape?
Nope.
Oh.
Hey, Popcorn.
Yeah.
If there are no more lollipops, does that mean there are no more patients for the day?
Yep.
Good. 'Cause I think I need a vet. I mean a doctor.
Oh no, is it your ankle?
It really did feel fine at first, but I think walking made it worse.
What can I do to help?
I just really want to go home, but I don't know if I can make it. My ankle hurts too much to walk now.
You sit tight. And don't worry, vet techs always know what to do. What do I do? Think, Popcorn! I want to take care of Vita. She always takes such good care of everyone else. Wait, everyone else! Hey, Beaky! Hurry, Beaky! Okay, help is on the way. Vita needs a vet. And I know just what to do because the vet tech helps the vet. And her patients will help too. Our vet Vita's always there to offer help and give us care. But Vita took a tiny trip, so vet and patient have to flip.
I thought I could power through it, but my ankles hurt.
Oh, Vida and you.
We're here for you, don't be upset. Sometimes a vet just needs a vet.
Vita needs some
help. Helpers sometimes need help too.
So let's help Vita.
Vita the vet, we will take great care of you. Thanks, everyone.
Ready to go home?
I'm ready. Thanks, friends.
Now that Vita's the patient, she needs a lollipop. But I still haven't guessed her favorite flavor. Vita's favorite flavor is a fruit with a peel, so round it can roll down a hill, and a color I could see right in front of me. Ha-ha! Got it!
This way. Easy does it. Wow, thank you all for taking such great care of me.
Our pleasure.
Of course.
We learned from you. You always take the best care of all of us.
Wait! There's one lollipop left.
Oh no! I thought we finished helping every patient in Sweetwood.
Except you. And I'm pretty sure I figured out your favorite flavor. Orange. You glad I'm a good lollipop giver outer?
Orange, my favorite. You guessed it, Popcorn.
Boom! Let's get you home.
Bye, thank you, everyone.
Thanks, everyone. Bye. Bye.
Feel better.
See you later.
Well, Vita. Take care, Vita. Ooh, ah!
Aw. Let's get you to a doctor.
How'd you know?
Dads and papas always know.
Watch full episodes of Vita the Vet, now streaming on YouTube.